In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Facebook custom audiences in 2019, and I'm going to show you some secret hacks that you need to know to help explode your business online. And we're getting started right now. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here, and to grow your business online with affiliate marketing the simple way, start now by going down below, hitting that subscribe button, join the fam, but make sure you hit that notification bell too so you get notified every time I upload. Now, like I said in this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom audiences on Facebook and how to do it with some secret hacks. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is if you don't have your Facebook pixel installed, I'm going to link up above to a video I did on just that. And that's when I install the Facebook pixel with ClickFunnels. Okay, so I use ClickFunnels. You can do this with any website, any product, whether you're in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, it does not matter. It's the same framework, right? So now what you want to do is you want to have a Facebook Business Manager account. Okay, so you want to go to business.facebook.com. And what you're going to do is if you already have the pixel and everything installed, we're going to go over here. We're going to go to Events Manager. Okay. Now you're going to click on whatever funnel or whatever pixel you're using. Okay. And there's a few things I want to say here. First of all, on that video I did when I showed you how to create the pixel and install it, I showed you how to put the main pixel for your whole funnel, which is where you're tracking page views. And then I showed you how to do view content and lead. Okay, so for view content, it's going to be everyone that goes to the squeeze page. Okay, so when they get here, they view content. And when they put in their email address and they go to the VSL page or the thank you page or the bridge page, whatever you want to call it, then they are a lead. Because the only way to get there is by putting in their email address so they become a lead. Okay, so that's the first two things I want to say. Now you can see right here, I'm tracking initiate checkout and purchases. Okay, so how do I do that? All right, there's a few different ways to do this, and this is the secret hack I was going to tell you about. Okay, so just stay tuned for that. I just want to start by showing you how to create custom audiences for the first couple, and then I'll show you how to track initiate checkout and purchases for affiliate offers. Because you can see right here, the only two pages I have is the squeeze page and the VSL, right? So you're probably a little confused. So just stay tuned for that. I promise I'll clear that up. But first, we're going to make custom audiences. Okay, so go here, create custom audience. Okay, so this is the way I do it. There's so many different ways to do it. And this is how I'm going to show you to do it because I think it's the most simple way to explain it and to do it. Okay, so first of all, you want to go right here and then you want to target view content. Okay, so 30 days is fine, but you can do 7, you can do 14. Well, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna do 7 just cause, okay? It does not matter for what I'm doing. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna click right here and hit exclude people. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna exclude everyone who's a lead, okay? And the past 7 days. You wanna keep the days the same. Okay, so right now you're gonna have a custom audience that targets people who viewed content, so who landed on your opt-in page, but that didn't become a lead. Okay, so that means everyone that went to your squeeze page and didn't put in their email. All right, but there's one more thing you have to do. Well, two, we have to name it. That's one of them. But the second thing, we have to do is we got to go right here, include people who meet all of the following criteria. Okay, and then you can name it whatever. You could just do including or include view content, exclude lead or something like that, and then do like 7 days. 7 days. All right, so you don't have a ton of characters to use. You can see I have 7 left, but you can call it whatever you want just so you know what it is, right? So that's very simple like that. So I'm just gonna hit create audience, and that's one of them. Okay, so the second one that we're gonna do is lead excluding initiate checkout. So I have to show you how to actually install the initiate checkout code. And the way I did this is by using a program called Legendary Marketer. That's my main affiliate program that I promote. It's my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. And that's the first link in the description. If you want to check it out, I would highly, highly suggest it. But inside of their back office, on all of their funnels, you have this, right? You have your affiliate link, and then you can add tracking tags, which would be like Facebook ad 1, right? So you know which ad it came from, which is great. A lot of companies have this, but this is something not a ton have right here, okay? So this would be tracking pixel URL and tracking success pixel URL, okay? So the difference. So right here, the tracking pixel URL I have set as initiate checkout. So everyone that gets to this page, they are initiating checkout, okay? They got to the checkout page, they initiated it. Now, the success pixel URL, that means that they successfully filled it out and their order went through. So that's where the purchase pixel comes in. But you can see this isn't just a regular event code like, here I'll show you, like this. You see how it's view content, track. That's the regular event code. I'm going to show you how to set this up properly, okay? And this is for Legendary Marketer. I can't say how it is for other programs. I know, for example, ClickFunnels, they don't have the ability to do this, but they also have a great affiliate program, which again, ClickFunnels is just a tool you need to market online. Like you need it. It's simple as that. But what you want to do is when you're setting up the Facebook pixel on that video I linked, it'll be in the description as well. You have the entire code that you put in your settings, okay? So what this is doing is this is tracking the entire funnel because I have it on the settings and the head tracking code for the entire funnel, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to start here next to the quotation marks, and then you want to go right here and then go in between the other quotation marks. So that's the JavaScript code that you want to copy, all right? So don't worry about any of that. I don't know much about code, JavaScript, HTML, none of that stuff. I'm not very good with it, but just follow me along. This is what you need to do. So what you're gonna do is, again, copy this, but make sure you don't get the quotation marks, okay? You do it in between, and yours will be different than mine, your numbers, so don't just write mine down, right? Watch that video, or if you already have your pixel installed, you'll have this wherever you installed your pixel. Take this URL right here, and then you're gonna go to Legendary Marketer. And again, if you have your own products, this is way easier to set up because you can just put the pixel on your own website. So again, this is for people who are doing affiliate marketing and who are using Legendary Marketer, which is by far the best affiliate program out there, guaranteed. So anyways, so what I did is I pasted it in here, okay? And then instead of having page view, I just typed in initiate checkout, okay? And then I did the same thing here, and then I just typed in purchase. Okay, and then update. And then what that does is I'm getting these events sent to me on my Facebook tracking pixel because I set it up on their website. And they have so many amazing things going on. But that's how I got these events to fire. Okay, so that's what these are from. And the reason why I have it set to last 7 days is because that's the last run I did. So this is the last 7 days. But again, you can do it for 30, whatever you want to do. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create audience again. Go to custom audience, okay? Go to leads in the past 7 days. And then you're going to exclude people who initiated checkout in the last 7 days. And remember, go to all. And then you're going to say include, lead, exclude, initiate, checkout. 7 days. Okay, create audience. Now we're going to create another audience. Go to custom audience. And then we're going to do initiate checkout, 7 days, exclude, purchase, 7 days. All. Include, initiate, checkout, spell it right, exclude, purchase. Okay, so this is a great one because they actually got to the initiate checkout and didn't buy. So this is going to be one of your like really hot custom audiences. Okay, so that's a very important one. So we're going to create audience. And then the last one you can do is you can just make a custom audience for buyers. Okay, so this would be purchase. And then you could go to all, it doesn't matter since it's just one. So include, purchase, 7 days or whatever. Just keep it the same as the other ones. So anyways, that's how you would do that. And then hit create audience. Okay. So then what you can do is you can go up here and you can go scroll down and find audiences right here. And then you can see they're all right here. And you can see I have one more. So what I want to show you, this is a very, very important one that a lot of people don't talk about. Okay, this is another one of the secret hacks. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a custom audience. Okay, and then you're going to go over here and you're going to hit customer file. Okay, then you could see use a file that includes customer lifetime value. Use a file that doesn't include it. Import from MailChimp. All right, so if you have MailChimp, you would use that. But if you don't have MailChimp, what you're going to want to do is you're going to use a file that doesn't include lifetime value. Okay, so and then we're going to go to Convertkit or whatever autoresponder you have, log in. So what you're going to want to do, a lot of them are going to be different. But for Convertkit, when you click right here, you can see all 30 subscribers on this page are selected. Select all 384. So we click that. And then what you do is you would go to bulk actions and hit export. I'm not going to do it because I've already done this. But however you do it on your autoresponder, you want to click on export a CSV file of all of your subscribers. And then what you want to do is you want to upload the file right here. Name it. I named my Convertkit email list all subscribers. Okay, so they won't show the audience size number to protect the privacy or whatever, but that's fine. So anyways, those are the custom audiences, and I'll show you real quick just how to make an ad with them so you do it the right way. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna go to Ads Manager. This is all brand new. Wow, they updated it a lot. That's kind of cool. Yeah, right there. Welcome to the new Ads Manager. Anyways, so what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna create, okay? And then conversions is what you want to do. And we'll just keep it named conversions. It doesn't matter. So this is very important right here. So you want to pick the conversion that you want to do. So you could do purchase. Some people would do like view content because they aren't optimized for purchase yet, but just do whatever. So you could do purchase. And then for custom audience, okay, what you're going to want to do is pick whichever one. Okay, so you could do your view content, and you want to make custom ads for each of these. So you don't want to send your purchase people an ad that's like, hey, 50% off, buy now, right? They'd be pissed because they just bought for full price. So you got to kind of understand that, but just make sure that you're using custom audience and do not use interest targeting, okay? Only do the custom audience. That's important. Keep it as broad as possible, and that's all you want to do. And then you obviously create the ad. That's not what this video is about, but I just wanted to show you how to use the custom audience. So again, that's very, very important for running and starting and growing an online business. Okay, seriously, it's super important, and I hope you understand how important that is, because so many people, they just leave that money on the table. A lot of people don't even collect an email list. Email, follow-up, that's where the money's at, for real. And if you want to grow your online business with affiliate marketing the simple way, watch these videos right here. And make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the link right here. And don't forget my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, first link in the description. That's all I got. Till next time.